southeastern Nez Perce County in north central Idaho, south central Latah County in the panhandle of Idaho, until 1:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 12:54 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe
Oh, let's give a warning now.
The National Weather Service in Spokane has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Grant County in central Washington until 1:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 12:54 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Royal City, or 22 miles southwest of Moses Lake, and moving north at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Royal City, George and Gorge Amphitheater. This storm will also produce extremely heavy rainfall. If driving through the storm, reduce your speed to lower the risk of hydroplaning. Also be prepared for ponding of water in low-lying areas. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time Friday evening for the Panhandle and north central Idaho and eastern Washington. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Grant County, Washington.